I know it is very hard to make new friends when you are working from home, when you're working remotely, especially if you're an entrepreneur or a business owner. Hi, I'm Veronica de Polo, and I'm a marketing and messaging strategist, and I love to meet new friends, especially online. And these are the sort of things that I actually do. So one of the things that I've done in the past, because I work from home, is my education. It's getting into courses, going into workshops, all those sort of things have a component of making new friends, because you are getting into maybe Facebook groups, or you are connecting with other people on live events, or you're getting on connecting with people on LinkedIn. This is something that I've been doing for many years now, and it doesn't matter if you're not as active, and I used to be very shy at the beginning, but then as you get along and you're doing that course, it's so important to have that accountability with these people as well, because you will become accountable to your own work. You're not procrastinating. So meeting new faces and maybe, getting into a group of 4 or 5 people, getting to, push yourself better, then you create this bond. And I remember, years ago, I met somebody. We were a bunch of girls. We were all from different parts of the world, and then one of them, at some point, she was doing my Facebook ads, and then she introduced me to somebody else that it was a VA that I needed. So it's actually so important to go into these groups and not feel shy. I know it is overwhelming. I know that it's so many comments and so many things, but as you educate yourself, because you have to be nurturing yourself in terms of education, that actually gives you the platform to meet new people, find new things that are trending or that are changing within your business or within your industry. So meeting new people, it's one of the highlights, I would say, about working from home and being remotely. Obviously, going out and networking and doing networking events, it's also great. But when you're stuck at a computer, you're working all day long there, having these people that you can bounce back ideas and, go into groups and comments and go behind other people, and you never know who you can actually meet there. Then later you can actually collaborate, or like I said, have somebody that is providing you a service that you need. Other ways that you could actually try to meet new people is to volunteer. Maybe volunteer for something that is free, maybe helping somebody. Then you open your scope when you're actually helping other people for a good cause. So yeah, I wouldn't discard it if you haven't thought about it. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave me some comments below, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye.